boat.
Hey, stop it.
What'd you say? Are you arguing with your mommy? What? No, you can't have this. I'm videotaping you.
Hi.
Say hi. Rocky Rock. Look at Daddy. He's getting the fish. Look. Look at your daddy. He's getting fish. Look at that big old boat. That's pretty. See, there's stuff out there fishing too, Jessica. I'm telling you, they're out there catching shit too over there on that boat.
Uh-oh.
Come on, Jamie. I don't think we got.
I can't even spin it.
You know what? I better get it there. I better do mine up. I better give me them fish. What do you think?
All I can
What? I wish. I wish. Say hi, Mason. There's my grandson I love so much. Hi, baby.
That drag's that hard.
Please, Dylan, stop.
Come on, Jamie.
Oh, to the grip of that little one.
Here, drag it. Listen.
Yeah.
You get a click, 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 Mason? That's the fish taking the line out that way.
I know.
I got you on video. I'm gonna put this on YouTube so you can see it.
Better catch it.
You better catch it. Okay, I'm gonna put you on pause for a few minutes.
I can't get. I've got the drag off and he's still pulling drag.
Is he really?
Yeah.
Look at me, Jamie.
I can't turn. I can't tighten the drag anymore. That's it. Like.
God dang, no, So come on, Daddy. Oh, now Papa got something.
So we gotta sit here and wait for you to catch that fish, Dad. Come on, we can do it. How far out do you think he is, Jamie?
I got about 60 foot of line out right now.
Oh shit.
60, 70.
Daddy,
Come on, give me some.
pretend you're on a boat and you're trying to fish.